everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is a triple threat. It's the SimplyVital Collagen, Retinol, and Hyaluronic Acid Cream. We're going to find out why over 70,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. It's received 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon. So what exactly does it do? So it's collagen and retinol power for your skin. Anti-wrinkle, it improves the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, evens and smooths skin tones and texture. It's renewing. It boosts skin cell turnover, elasticity, and radiance, promoting overall skin rejuvenation. Hydrating. It deeply hydrates, nourishes, and locks moisture in the skin, treating dryness and dullness. So how exactly do you use this viral sensation? It went viral on TikTok. It got over 25 million views. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. There are 3 steps. So first of all, once you get this cream, don't try to unscrew the jar to get the cream out. The first step is to take the lid off to access the button. Once you take the lid off, press several times for a cream to fill the mechanism to come out on top. The final step is to collect the required amount of cream from the center of the button. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.